Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome to my platform. How are we doing? How is our weekend going? I hope everybody is doing great. I appreciate each and every one of you for always watching my program, for always tuning in. It's not easy for you to leave what you are doing to watch my program. Honestly speaking, I appreciate and I love and cherish each and every one of you that has been watching my program. So my dear people, I saw this disturbing news. I said, let me come out here and share it with you. I have been seeing and hearing this news, these prophecies. I was like, these prophecies are going to cause more problem in this struggle. And today, I saw a write-up made by Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor concerning the prophecies that have been coming up upon Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now I'm going to read what he said before I continue because I don't want to add my own. Let me read it so that you will hear what he said and the warning he gave to them. It's very, very important. I want you to pay attention. Watch this video from the beginning to the end because you will hear from his mouth. I am reading exactly how he wrote it. This is not coming from me. As a Christian, which I am, I encourage prayers and supplications to the Almighty God. But what I can't allow to continue is inunding my inbox with all sorts of fake prophecies. It must stop. This may sound ridiculous to disconcerting mind, but it should be a formal notice to those deliberately taking my leniency for granted over time without being reprimanded. Please pray over any positive, negative vision, dream, or prophecy, but do not send to me again. For your information, I have a God that never fails, and he always speaks to me in a language I understand. He has never disappointed me and cannot, because I am in life covenant with this God of impossibility. Those guilty of this infraction may not be availed with further reason for either being permanently banned from commenting or interacting with me on my platform. I consider these end-time prophecies as serious distraction to our legal work. Keep the prophecy to yourself because it is becoming a huge embarrassment to my decent page. Pray for quick release of our client, Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Pray over his well-being, welfare, and his visions. May Chukwu Okike Abiama continue to be on the throne even in this moment of sober reflection. Be assured that we are winning and it shall definitely end in praise. Those who are not regular hearing from us should now be more active in fasting and prayers because our strategies has changed and can no longer be discussed in the public space. Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was visited on Thursday. He is stable and in a wonderful spirit. All legal processes incidental to freeing him soon is efficiently active, but none shall be discussed here any longer. Remain resolute and law-abiding as you have always been. The battle is for Elohim and he is working it out speedily than you can imagine. So, this is coming direct from IPOB lawyer, Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor. You heard what he said. And the one important thing he said here that I like so much is that he said that anything pertaining Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he will not be discussing it online. I expect them to take this measure a long time ago because you cannot come online granting you unnecessary interview, trying to hear from you, trying to know the way forward, when you review all your steps to your enemy, what then will you be used to defend yourself? So these are the measures that he has taken now. So you may not be hearing him speaking or granting interview to anybody again pertaining on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu issue. I strongly support and believe in this because this is the way to go forward. Because if you keep on telling people what you want to do, the next step, before you go there, they will go and do it before you. And another thing that I like, he said, these prophecies, I don't know. I don't want to put my mouth in all those things, and I don't want to say they are fake prophecies. I don't want to say whatever anyone sees or dream about is fake. But this is a critical time. We should know the type of things we see. If you dream, if you have bad revelation, bad dream, about somebody, as an intelligent person, what you should do, you pray over it, cancel it, or you call the person privately and say, this is what I heard about you, please can you pray over it? Instead of publicizing it online, it creates a lot of trouble, misunderstanding, distraction. You heard him say, he said all those prophecies are creating more problems in the struggle. So this, he said, the dreams or the prophecies is creating more problem in the struggle and distraction. So those that are involved, if you hear or if you see, if you dream anything from God, please do yourself this favor, pray. What our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu need right now from us is nothing but prayer, obedience, and prayer, steadfastness. Do not give up. A lot of people are relenting already because they feel that nothing is happening. The way God is going to do his miracle, I strongly believe for Nnamdi Kanu to still be alive up to this moment simply means that God have a purpose for him. And when God will reveal this, it will be a shock. You that is watching this video, you that is losing hope, you that says, I don't know where this struggle is going again, we don't understand what is happening because they say we should stop the sit at home because they are not doing this, they are not doing protest, they are not fighting. Let me tell you, these adage that say that silence is the best answer given to the fool. The best thing they would have done before is not to be publicizing anything about Nnamdi Kanu. Whatever you want to do, do it within yourself. Do not bring it in public, because once you make a video and post it out there, a lot of people will carry it. Before you know it, the video will go viral. So do not give hope, my great people of Biafra. You that is a trustworthy of Biafra, you that is fighting for Biafra with your heart, not oh yes member. Yes, of course, in any organization will have oh yes member. There are some people that anywhere their own is oh yes, whatever you people say oh yes. If you people are not working, we'll go back. There are some people who believe that we are going to achieve this. Please stay resolute. Let me use this English of Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor. Let us work together. Let there be peace. Let there be peace. We shouldn't allow anything to distract us. Please remember, when the devil wants to fight against you, he will start first by distracting you, creating confusion among you. Once you people are distracted, then everything will scatter. But unite, we stay. Unite, we fight together, and we'll get a positive result. So those people that are sending prophecies, prophesizing, God shows them that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will do this. God shows them that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will do the other one. Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor say you people should stop sending it to him, that he do not like it. He have a God, and God tells him and answer him whenever he wishes to talk to him. Remain blessed. Continue watching. Please share this video. Leave your thoughts and your opinion in the comment section. Until I meet you again, keep on watching Linda's TV show. I love and cherish each and every one of you. Bye bye.